Good morning, students. Today, our topic is types of digital payment, electronic function of banking, or e banking. So, what is the meaning of electronic payment or digital payment? It is a system of making online payment without involving physical exchange of money. The money is transferred from account of payer to the account of receiver through internet. Here, as name suggests, digital, electronic or electronic payment. It means you're paying your money through a electronic mode. Clear? And when you are transferring your money through electronic mode, then there is no need to be present presence of the sender and receiver, or it is not a physical exchange of money. Clear? Just make a transfer or payment through account to account. ठीक है बेटा, इससे कौन कौन से बेनिफिट होते हैं? सो देयर आर सम बेनिफिट विच आर very helpful for the customer. First one is digital payment and transparency. While e-banking there is a possibility of digital payment, it promotes transparency in financial statement. ठीक है, जब आप डिजिटल पेमेंट कर रहे हो, so digital payment can be done only through bank or only through account. There is no payment through cash. So always your statement will have transparency. You cannot do any fraud. उसमें आप किसी भी तरह का फ्रॉड नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि हर चीज का उसमें रिकॉर्ड रहता है. ठीक है, सब ट्रांसपेरेंसी जो है वो मेंटेन की जाती है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैंकिंग में. सेकेंड एडवांटेज इज 24/7 सर्विस. 24/7 सर्विस मीन्स इट इज़ अवेलेबल 24 आवर्स. 24 आवर ये अवेलेबल है. आपकी इवनिंग में मनी ट्रांसफ़र करने की इच्छा है, आप इवनिंग में मनी ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हो. नाइट में मनी ट्रांसफ़र करना है, नाइट में मनी ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हो. मॉर्निंग में मनी ट्रांसफ़र करना है, मॉर्निंग में मनी ट्रांसफ़र की जा सकती है. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ अ 24/7 service. Convenience, customer can make some of the permitted transaction from office or house or while traveling through mobile phone. And digital payment is very convenient. Anytime or anywhere you can make the payment. Financial discipline, it inculcates a sense of financial discipline by recording each and every transaction. ठीक है, जितने भी आपके ट्रांजेक्शन है, all the transaction are recorded. So when you will have statement in front of you, then what will happen? You will be more disciplined in expenditure. खर्चा करते टाइम आप well disciplined रहोगे. Unlimited access, e-banking leads to a greater customer satisfaction by offering unlimited access to the bank, not limited by walls of branch. ठीक है, अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मीन्स आप इसको कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सकते हो. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू कैन मेक द पेमेंट ओनली थ्रू branch. From wherever you want to make payment, you can make payment. And next one is less risk. Here there is a great security to the customer as they can avoid traveling with cash. Clear? So if you are paying through the digital banking or digital mode, then there will be a less chance of risk. Clear? You don't need to carry any cash with you and no need to carry any other document which can be stolen. ठीक है, यदि आप मनी लेके जा रहे हो बैंक में डिपॉजिट करने या पेमेंट के लिए, तो हो सकता है रास्ते में आपके साथ कोई दुर्घटना हो जाए या कोई चोरी की दुर्घटना हो जाए, कोई आपसे उस मनी को छीन सकता है. बट इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग एन डिजिटल पेमेंट, then such type of risk is minimized because it is highly secured function which are given by government of India. There are many government or official sites, websites or application through which you can make the safe payment. Clear beta? So these were some benefit of e-banking to customer. Next topic we will discuss in next class. Okay, thank you so much.